She overcame her fear of heights. She overcame her fear of heights.
We have overcome all obstacles. We have overcome all obstacles.
I hit an obstacle because of a bad decision. I hit an obstacle because of a bad decision.
You will receive an official notification when I make my decision. You will receive an official notification when I make my decision.
I have issued a notification. I have issued a notification.
The company issued a statement on the cause of the explosion. The company issued a statement on the cause of the explosion.
We need to release your statement. We need to release your statement.
Before the release of a new clothing collection, there is always a drop in prices. Before the release of a new clothing collection, there is always a drop in prices.
The drop in prices has contributed to greater interest in the commodity. The drop in prices has contributed to greater interest in the commodity.
An unhealthy diet contributes to many diseases. An unhealthy diet contributes to many diseases.